Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Benedicta here. Welcome you all, and I hope you are doing so well. So in today's video I got an unboxing for you guys. So if you're new here, welcome back to my channel, and I greet every one of you. In today's video is about unboxing, so let's get into the video. I'm very much excited. I love unboxing so much. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Today is Valentine's Day, and this week I want to share with you my latest luxury unboxing from Dolce Gabbana. In case you were curious about the details, I'm going to list everything in the description box down below. This is coming straight from Farfetch. This is an European German website. You can find all your luxury items there. This is my receipts. And I was so happy it came in the right time. So if you open the envelope, this is what you see. There's a lot of different kind of languages, and this is how the box came. If you open it, this is what you're going to see. This is what I'm interested in. This is what I'm interested in. The rest, bye. And it came wrapped like this. I've had my eyes on this earring for a while. And this is just a Valentine gift from my husband. I couldn't ask for anything than to request for this, and I love them so much. And there I have it. It came on the right time, and I couldn't be happier with them. I just love them. I hope you enjoy this little unboxing with me. So now let's go ahead and open this bad boy and see what's inside there. So yeah, this is the card from Dolce Gabbana. So you always have to watch for this. It came in this beautiful black box. I don't know how to explain it. It feels very smooth. It feels exactly like velvety material or like suede. It feels very nice. So when you open it, that's how it looks. And it says Dolce Gabbana. And those are the earring D&G inside. And it's a pair of D&G earrings. And it came in this little white paper separately. So let's cut this so I can show you the earring. I chose this particular one because I don't wear clip-on, because when I wear them it's very uncomfortable for me. This is truly a statement piece, and I can't wait to wear them. Ta-da! This is it, and I chose this color because I don't have silver tone jewelry. So, and all my jewelries are in gold tone, so I'm so happy with this silver color. And the price on this earring on the website is 225 euros. So beautiful piece. I love it so much. Can't wait to wear them. And this is not too big and not too small like the Valentino one that I purchased. I'll show you that also. So this is so easy to open and close. Very easy, and they also have it in gold tone. I was just about to, but I went in for the silver one because I don't have anything in silver. And it's very versatile. You can remove the hoop and attach it just like so and close it. It's so amazing. I love this so much. And they have so many different kind of colors. And this is my Valentino comparison. I'll show you in a minute. Look at how tiny this looks, and just look at this. I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you guys to see how beautiful this looks. So you'll see that comparison. This Valentino earrings so beautiful, and I wear them every day to work. And the details on this earring is silver tone, and it's has a small hoop design for pierced ears. This earring comes as a pair, so let me show you how it looks on me. Looks so amazing. I love it. I just love it so much. Can't wait to dress up and dress down with this. And I'm going to link the site where I got this beautiful silver tone from Dolce Gabbana. in the description down below, so if you're interested you can check that out, plus the details on this earring. I love it so much. It has a little bit weight to it, but it's not so bad that you can wear it. It's so nice. It's not heavy at all, trust me, not heavy at all. Very beautiful piece. This earring, it's super duper cute. Oh yes, and so freaking cute. This is so cute. And this earring is everyday look, dress up, dress down kind of style, and this is their cap. So hey lovelies, that'll be all for today. Hope this review helped you all, and I hope you did enjoy this little unboxing from me. Thanks as always for watching my video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. And like I always say, see you in my next video. Stay blessed and be cool, stay safe. Always remember to use your nose mask when you go out, wash your hands and sanitize. Love you. See you in my next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. This is how it looks on me. I just want to use the black card so that you can see it very well. It's so pretty. Love it so much, and I love the tone. I love the silver tone of it. Isn't this beautiful? This is so pretty. I love it so much. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.